Hello, if you want to turn off your comment section on YouTube videos, then keep watching the video till the end. First of all, if you're uploading videos on YouTube, then you must know that you must have two applications on your phone. The number one is YouTube application, and number two is YT Studio. And you can turn off your comment section from YT Studio only. So install the YT Studio application on your phone and now open it. After opening your YT Studio, just log in by entering your Gmail address and passwords. And now you can turn off your comment section on your videos in two ways. In the first method, if you want to turn up your comment section for a particular video, just click on that video. And now at the very top side, click on this pen icon. Here is some more options. So click on this right arrow button. Now see here is the comments. Just click on it. Now the comment section part of this video is turned on. If you want to turn up this comment section, just click on off. Again, go back. And now as soon as you click on save, the comment section part of this video will be turned off. So this is the first method to turn off your comment section for a single video. And if you want, you can turn off the comment section for all of your video one by one. But if you want to make it automatic, then you can go for the second method. Now close this YT Studio. Now open your Chrome browser. Now type here studio.youtube.com. First of all, you should open your channel on desktop mode. If you're opening your channel on Chrome browser for the first time, you have to enter your Gmail address and passwords. Now look at the bottom left corner. Here is the settings icon, so click on it. Now at the left side, you see some options here. General, Channel, Upload Defaults. Just click on Upload Defaults. Now click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down a little bit. Now we get the comment section here. Just click on it. And now click on Turn Off. Now I'm zooming out the face. Now click on Save to save the settings. And now if you click on Save, then the comment section for all the upcoming videos will be turned off automatically. So this is how you can turn off your comment section for your YouTube videos. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.